If you want to instantly see how candidates move through your hiring pipeline, you can visualize their data using a Sankey diagram to reveal the hidden recruitment path.
SankeyEngine is not just a visualization tool, it is an analytical framework running directly inside Microsoft Excel.
Downstream Analytics is built to deliver absolute focus, target a single node, and visually trace the recruitment funnel. Instead of using a basic visualization, SankeyEngine dynamically simulates the domino effect based on the selected node. The main logic behind Upstream Analytics is to look for a bottleneck in a complex workflow and find the root cause. As we follow the lines back to the start, we can see exactly what the main driver is. The Structure Analysis mode allows you to click on a node and get detailed data on direct talent inflows and hiring outcomes. The core capability of this mode is to detect unexpected anomalies in immediate node transitions. If you want to learn more about our engine, please check the link in the description.